So I got this beautiful looking AirPod recently. It's a Y series, all right? And then I thought to myself, you know what, this actually looks very good. And it's only $23. And then I thought to myself to actually share it with people and just actually help people get, you know, affordable AirPod. It's not necessarily always going to be, you know, Apple brand and all that. So I thought to myself, you know what, why not actually help people actually get this? So I got the link to this product and I actually shared it, all right? Very simple. All I did was actually create a very simple content, all right, reviewing this very product, and then I shared the link with my followers on various social media handles that I actually thrive on. And it will interest you to know that as of now, I've made somewhere around $352 already from affiliate commission simply by putting my link and actually doing a very short review. It didn't actually take me much. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually make money from affiliate marketing, even if you have zero knowledge about affiliate marketing. Now, I pride my YouTube channel and my brand to actually sell to you and actually inform you about what actually works and what not. Now, I'm not actually selling this product to you. I'm not asking you to go buy it. If you want it, I mean, you can actually get it, all right? You can use the link in the description. However, what I'm about to tell you here is what will change your life, all right? How you can actually go from zero today to actually having up to $100, $200, $300 in your bank account in less than 3, 4, 5 days or a week, all right? And of course, this also depends on how much you're willing to work. Now, affiliate marketing is simply a system. I'm sure you've heard about this already. Simply a system where you actually get to, you know, leverage on the network of community of people and then actually use some link and all that and share some product, and then they actually buy and you make profit off it. Now, how about I tell you that affiliate marketing is not as difficult as everybody make it look. As much as a lot of YouTubers want to make it look like, you know, you have to be blogging, you have to be doing 1 or 2 things. Now, it's not as difficult as that, trust me. Now, in this video, I'm going to be showing you a couple of websites where you can actually get products that are actually good, worthy of sale. Now, for instance, the first website I'm going to be showing you is Amazon Affiliate. Now, the beautiful thing about Amazon Affiliate and why it is the first I'm sharing with you is that if a customer actually uses your link to actually get on Amazon and actually goes on to actually preview other products and see that this product are actually good and do not buy the product that you want them to buy and goes on to buy any other product, as long as that customer actually goes on Amazon within 24 hours, you still get a commission from anything the customer gets to buy, right? So all you have to do is actually go on Amazon and register as an Amazon affiliate, and then they are going to ask you what you want to use. Of course, they are going to ask that you use some, you know, social media and all that stuff that actually has a good following. Very simple. Guess what? Use your Facebook. Just copy the link on your Facebook. Go on your Facebook profile, all right? Copy the link on your Facebook and simply paste it on the actual space that is given to you to fill in your website, YouTube channel, whatever. And if you have a YouTube channel already that is thriving good, if you have a social media handle, Instagram, you know, that is good, fine. And if you do not have any of this, very simple, you go on Pinterest. Now, Pinterest is another place where you can actually get people with different interests. All you have to do is to create an account on Pinterest, share a product, do a very simple review of the product, share it on Pinterest, and people that are interested would use your affiliate link to actually buy this product. Another place where you can actually get affiliate link is ClickBank. Now you can use ClickBank to actually do that. Now, if you do not want to use ClickBank, you can think of any product, any company at all that is actually selling a product that is related to what you're interested in and reach out to them, even if they don't have affiliate product. Trust me, nobody does not want to make a sale, all right? Reach out to them and tell them what you want to do. You want to get their product to reach more people. They are going to grant you access. You use that link and actually sell this product. Now, very simple, like I said, use your Facebook, use your WhatsApp, use your Instagram, use anything. But in 2024, if you're not making money, you're sleeping on money. Use this strategy and see if this does not pay you. All right? If you feel I give you value for your time, please do very well to hit on the subscribe button, like this video and share so that more people can see it and get help. And if you want to join my personal class where I teach people one-on-one how to make money, leave a link in the description, or leave a comment rather in the description saying I want to be a part of your class, and I'm going to send you the link.